Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to prepare bimbul or birmi karmbal humman. This can also be called as bimbli, and this is a spicy tangy side dish which you can have along with dosas or idli. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 10 to 11 bimbul or birmi karmbal, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/4 to half teaspoon of mustard seed, same amount of cumin seed, same amount of whole urad dal, few curry leaves, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 to 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri dry red chili powder, or as per the spice level you require. Firstly, to begin with, wash and chop the bimbul into equal half and further chop them lengthwise into smaller pieces. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add oil enough to prepare the seasoning, and once the oil is hot, lower the flame to low to medium, and into this add the mustard seed, cumin seed and whole urad dal along with the curry leaf and prepare the tempering. Once the tempering is prepared, into this add the chopped bimbul and saute this in medium flame until the bimbul color changes into a slightly darker shade. Once done, into this add half to 1 cup of water and allow the water to boil. Cook this in medium flame until the water begins to boil. Further into this, add salt as per taste, turmeric powder, dry red chili powder, and give everything a good mix and simmer this and cook until the bimbuls are well cooked. Keep stirring this occasionally so that it's uniformly cooked, and after about 10 minutes of cooking, your bimbuls would be well cooked. Now set this aside and further transfer this into a serving dish and enjoy your dish. So do try this recipe at home, and if you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. And for more vegetarian and traditional recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.